Crest has two campuses, Boca Raton and Fort Lauderdale, South Florida. In the digital media production department, we currently have approximately 300 students enrolled in grades 5 through 12. For some of the younger students, it starts out with basic video projects. Can they have a beginning, middle, and end to them? And then we're scaling up as we go up the different years to broadcast journalism stories that air on newscasts that the school puts on. We also do live sports. Students start shooting on phones for basic shot compositioning and to understand the production process. Then we move up into JVC ENG equipment, Blackmagic cameras. We have Sony A7S with prime lenses. We kind of scale up. When they get to high school, they're really working with some state-of-the-art stuff. We have lots of different production awards from various organizations such as the Student Emmys, the Student Television Network, and the Florida Scholastic Press Association. We have 3 studios, 3 different editing labs. We use Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. The high number of students that we have coming in and out of our editing labs, going out on acquisition, a lot of data coming back to be edited. That presents the problem of where is this data going to be stored? How is it going to be accessed? And how is it going to foster an environment of collaboration? Centralized, shared, high-speed storage is essential to the operation of such a program. We have files as long as for our ISO recorded football games in 4K to ENG shoots that might be 20 minutes of HD footage, 10 to 12 gigs. The average on a student project up to a couple of hundred or more when we have a live ISO recorded sporting event or fine arts event.
Pinecrest schools have been a customer of mine for many years, and we're in need of replacing an older ailing system and chose Quantum for the reliability, scalability, greater performance, capacity, and support rolling forward.
Doug Cole has really helped the school, stay at the forefront of storage solutions for media. We have systems that are in professional studios. So we have 2 installations, one at our Boca Raton campus and one at our Fort Lauderdale campus. They're running the Excelis system from Quantum, as well as the storage that lives beneath that. When you're looking for shared centralized storage in an environment such as ours, you really want something that's not going to get in the way of the creative process, not going to hinder your ability to teach. You need something that's just simply going to work and it's going to have very minimal downtimes and very fast support should a problem arise. And that is the Quantum solution. The installation was smooth. We put all the systems in place, and then field technician was out for only a few hours at each site, and then we finished remotely with things like setting up the file system, setting up the clients in installation packages, configuring the storage. We were able to do remotely with support without the need for a lengthy install. I would definitely recommend Quantum for the ease of use. It's easy to integrate, easy to set up. Quantum is a name that's synonymous with storage in the video post-production environment. I was actually surprised that price point-wise we were able to get into it. I thought it was always out of reach for us. If a school is looking at a solution for where to put content that students are creating, the solution that Quantum provides is very elegant. It's simple. Less time spent troubleshooting problems equals more student productivity. I want it to be like an iPhone. It just needs to turn on and work.